Hello there, in this video I'm gonna discuss the tester key. This is tester key for VAG group, or with other words tester key that comes along with Prodecoder HU66 first generation and Prodecoder HU66 second, third generation or second, sixth generation. Now, what do we get from the tester key? The tester key has three purposes. First and most of all, to determine if the HU66 lock is accessible, meaning is it dirty from inside, do we have some obstacles that can prevent us from inserting the prodecoder inside, so on and so forth. You know that when you're on an actual car, those locks can become very dirty. This is I'm gonna take this opportunity and say that you must always spray the locks, no matter the model of prodecoder. You should always spray the locks with WD-40. This will help the performance of the decoder. This will help the decoder and the pins to move quicker inside, hence leading to better performance, to faster opening, so on and so forth. Now, on the tester key. Now, I have checked those two locks, they're both accessible. What's the second thing? You see here that we have two green and one red point. On the sides, again, one red, one green, one red, one green. Okay, this is prodecoder generation first. It has an orientation point. Generation first comes with the red point. This is extremely important, so remember that. Generation first comes with the red point. On the other hand, generation second comes with the green dot. You see, two dots. On the generation first, one red, just one orientation point. Now, the red point indicates generation first, the green points indicate generation second. If I'm gonna insert it here on this lock, it has correct side, of course, and wrong side. Whenever both of these dots are far away from the edge of the lock, let me zoom it just a little bit, you can see they're far away from the edge, from the face here on the lock. Both dots are far away from it. This means that the tester key is inserted the wrong way. Now I'm gonna reverse it and insert it once again, and you can see that the red point is almost inside the lock, which means, and the tester key indicates that this lock is generation first. What else can we find from this tester key? That the red, the red is to the left, meaning on this lock, I must use generation first, and I should insert it with the orientation point to the left, like this. So first, the tester key told me, gave me a hint that this is first generation, and then it gave me the correct orientation, how to insert the decoder correctly. Now I'm gonna go on the other lock and repeat the exact same procedure. Insert it. You can see both dots are far away from the edge, from the face of the lock. This means it's on the wrong side. I'm going to insert it like this. Take into consideration that the two red, the points here are to the right. Insert it, and you can see that the tester key goes straight on the green. Green is for generation 2, like this. If I am to insert my decoder now, these are the orientation points. If I'm to insert the decoder, I should insert it like this, with the orientation dots to the right, like this. So I'm gonna repeat it once again. whenever you insert it and whenever the two dots are far away from the face of the lock, it's wrong side. Whenever you insert it on the other side, if it's to the right, it's generation first. If it's to the green, it's generation second. Like this. I hope that this became clear, or at least that you at least got the point of the tester key. It's really very helpful. First to know if the lock is okay, then to determine generation 1 or generation 2, and then to determine the correct way of inserting it. This was the tester key of Prodecoder. Thanks for watching and good luck.